Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Okay, guys, got a lot of subjects on the go here. I got a big pile of mail, and I got my rifle here. This is my new 17 HMR, and guys, I'm going to show you something. I was up 2 weeks ago up at the camp trying to sight this thing in. The worst scope I have ever seen in my life. It's got an eye relief of about maybe 3/4 of an inch. The worst scope I ever seen, but I want to show you something when I was trying to set this up. Guys, check this out. I don't know if you can get that in the shot there. But can you see this right here? And that's the O-ring coming out of it. It's pretty cheesy, guys, and I'll tell you the truth. I'm just going to scrap that scope. I'm going to scrap it, and I'm just going to buy myself a half-decent scope. That scope sucks so bad. The gun worked fantastic, but the scope, it was just completely useless. Like, I mean, when you got it up close to your eye, you're going in and out a little bit to, you know, to see the full view there. And at tops, 3/4 of an inch, you got nothing at either end. So, I mean, it was a total fail. But got a whole bunch of stuff here, and I got some mail. I'll start off with some mail first. And I decided to put some stickers up first instead of at the end. I opened up all the mail so far, like just the letters. And this one here is from my buddy Calvin's Corner 72. And he said he wanted his sticker facing the camera down here. So I put it right over top of my old sticker because that's how good Calvin is. And I'm going to put links in the description of all these people here. And you guys check them out because they're all fantastic people. So Calvin, yeah, I got it right here for you, buddy. And this is Rob from Chaos Garage. I got him right here. And guys, this fella, he's got a really nice shop. The last vid I seen, I guess he was making his own ATV mount for the back of his Honda ATV. And that's kind of stuff I'm really into, is fabricating stuff yourself. This guy enjoys doing it. And thank you very much, Rob. And thank you very much for your note. And I look forward to seeing more of your videos too. And who else we got? And we got Lucky Larry. You guys all know Lucky Larry, and I stuck his up right here. And there's two rifles there crossed. And that is the first channel I ever seen where you would get guns in the mail. And he's got lots of old antique guns that come in the mail to him all the time. I never knew we could get that in Canada. Well, this is the first gun I ever heard about me getting in the mail either. So thank you very much, Larry, and your sticker's on the board there too. And we're going to start off here. Guys, I believe it's July the 13th. I'm going to have a 5-part series on how I built a new outhouse. And I want to show you something here a little bit different, I guess. You're not going to see too often, but this is just a fuse holder that I had. And you can see how these two pieces here mate together. Well, if I can show the other piece here. Yeah, they just mate together. And I'll show you on this one here first. You can see, if I can get that in there. And I hope you can get that, but you could see the wires that are in there. Well, this one here, I had to tear all apart. Because guys, see if I can show you here. Took me a long time. See if I can get this all in here. Took me a long time to get this, if I could figure it out, but there is no wire in the end of this conductor. And I was chasing down why I wasn't getting, you know, any voltage through, you know, because I got a solar panel hooked up on this outhouse. I got a control panel. If you like, you can go to, if you're on Instagram, you can go to my Instagram and you could see a preview of what the outhouse looks like. I got 2 videos, and I think I got a couple of pictures too. Just so if you're interested in seeing about an outhouse. I don't think there's too many people going to have an outhouse around, but we got lots of houses up here in Canada. And this is just the bag of fuses that I got. And I put a 1 amp fuse for my solar panel. And the only other thing I did was put a diode, a 1 amp diode. For flow direction from the solar panel, so it can only charge and can't go back up to the solar panel. And that's about it for that. And what else here? Okay, so I'm going to open up this package here first, and then I'll get to this here. This here is from Tom Noble. And guys, imagine a lot of you guys know who Tom Noble is. And I'll have his channel, like everybody else, in the description below. And he sent me a nice package here. I have no idea what's in here. So I'm going to open it up. And oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Wow. Isn't that cool? Guys, Tom, that's too much, buddy. Look at that. That's my own Garage Gang YouTube shirt. Isn't that awesome? Just terrific. Wow, I can't get over it. I'll be wearing that for sure. And thank you very much, buddy. That's just awesome. Wow. He's got a little bit of a note here too. And I got a couple of Garage Gang YouTube stickers too. I don't know if you guys ever seen one of them. There it is there. I got a couple there and I'll be putting them up too. And Steve, I figured since the mail's going away that I'd better send you a shirt and a couple of new stickers. Well, thank you very much, Tom. That's just awesome. Thank you very much. I'll be wearing that with pride. And that's just terrific. Just awesome. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, and I'll find a couple of nice spots for these stickers as well. Thank you very much, buddy. And who's next? Okay, first of all, I want to talk a little bit about my my DeWalt. This is a 12-inch chop saw blade for my chop saw, and it's getting pretty dull now. Now, I know a lot of you guys are contractors. I know Ozstar, he's probably got one of these. Is it worth my time taking this someplace to get sharpened, or just chuck it out and just buy another one? Because this one here is getting pretty dull. It's only a 32 teeth. I put another one on there which is an 80 tooth, but tell you the truth, 80 tooth's not that good when I'm just, you know, cutting a bunch of 2x4s and that kind of stuff, pressure treated wood. So I just thought I'd throw that in there, whether this is even worth sharpening or not. And I'll open up, this package came the other day. Like a lot of these packages came in the last 2 weeks. And this one just came the other day, and this is from my buddy Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking Channel. And I'll open that up right here. And I have no idea what this is. Wow, isn't that cool or what, guys? Check this out. So Helga must be having these things here available now. I'm not too sure if this is just a one-off thing or... Wow, that's pretty cool, buddy. Yeah, I'm going to bring that up to the camp because a lot of times we have... Of course, I've got like a plastic table up there and my countertop. And I could use one of these for up at the camp. Thank you very much. That's just awesome. And... yeah, that's just awesome. And we got, well, this is a Helga Pennsylvania Cooking Channel shirt. I never even knew you had shirts, Helga. Wow. So guys, I guess Helga's got some shirts. I'll be wearing that for sure. Isn't that awesome? Guys, that's just terrific. And I'll be wearing that for sure. Thank you very much, Helga. That's just awesome. And there's a little bit of a note inside here. A little bit of a card. This is a picture of a little doggy. Another type of little doggy. Dear Steve, I just wanted to get these to you before your P.O. box shuts down. Yeah. The shipping was $15.50. That's highway robbery. $15.50. Thanks so much for all your support and friendship, buddy. I figured you can take the pot holder to the camp, and I will, see? Your Pennsylvania girlfriend. Yes, that's my Pennsylvania girlfriend, Helga, from Pennsylvania. And thank you very much, Helga. And I'll just get this stuff sorted out here later. And yeah, that is just terrific. Thank you very much, Helga. And you know I'm going to be wearing it all the time. Okay, want to move on with something else real quick here. Guys, this is a just a marker. And it's like a really nice yellow marker. It's a paint marker. And I'll tell you what, I bought this on Amazon like 3 months ago. And it said $14.95 for a pack of 12. So I thought, wow, I got to get that. I just got to get it. Well, guess what came? Just one. So to get a hold of Amazon, you can never phone them. You kind of just leave your number with them and they call you back right away. So they called me back and I told the girl what happened and she says, well, that's all you ordered was one. And I said, yeah, but look in the description. It says a pack of 12. And she goes, you know what? You're right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to give you your money back. Don't bother worrying about this. You can just have the product. I'll give you your money back. It's our mistake. And I thought, that's pretty good. You know, and I got a comment there a little while ago about one person that was saying, you know, if you keep buying all that stuff off of Amazon, all the stores are going to close down. Well, not even close. I just seen on the news this week, in America, 9% of online sales is what is in America. 9% of all retail is online sales. And in Canada, it's 6%. So Amazon's got a long way to go before they, you know, they're taking a little bit of a chunk out of the product there, but long way to go before there's no more retail stores left. Okay, and the last one here is my buddy, the Bobcat guy. And we're going to see what this is. Now, if you guys don't know the Bobcat guy, he's actually got 2 channels. And I'm going to put them both down there like everybody else's. And the other one is a weekend review channel. And guys, some of the views that he's getting on this is just off the charts. I mean, I think it's fantastic. And you check out some of that stuff and you're going to see quite interesting things on not just the Bobcat Guy channel, but also the Weekend Review channel. So I'll put them both down there. And let's take a look and see what's in here. Because this did look like it came from Amazon first. And let's just open her up here. And what is this? It's something. Well, it didn't come from Amazon. There's a note in here. It says open first. Open first. Wow! So I got some Bobcat Guy stickers. And, like I was saying, I just mentioned Weekend Review. So you're going to see the Weekend Review stickers too. And a little bit of a note here. Hello, Steve Robb, my friend. When I started this journey on YouTube, I would never thought it would would never meet great friends like you on here. It was a way for me to get out of my comfort zone and in front of the camera. And you know what, guys? That is a common thing. A lot of people are very shy, you know, behind the scenes when they're off camera. And this is a good way to, you know, to get out there, I guess. I have different ideas. I've learned a lot from watching your channel and many others. By watching your channel, it makes me look at different ideas for filming, and I want to thank you for that. Well, thank you for watching, Keith. Yeah, I always say that, you know, the best thing you could do is watch other channels if you're a creator yourself and get some good ideas. I get plenty of ideas by watching other people. This is a care package from my channel to yours. I hope you will enjoy the gifts I'm sending you in exchange for the wonderful glass engraving. Well, I sent him, from Darren Sharon there, I sent him one of them glass etchings from his channel, so it's embedded in the glass, and I thought that's just terrific. You know, and thank Darren for doing that. And I hope you will enjoy this gift I'm sending you in exchange for the glass engravings you sent me. Thanks, my friend Keith. Okay, Bobcat Guy Weekend Review. And I got a Weekend Review shirt. There you go. And guys, check this out on the back. This is a nice saying that a lot of us have adopted. Let's have some fun. And that's the whole idea behind, you know, a lot of our channels is to have some fun. Just get out there and have some fun and enjoy yourself. And this is in a bag. And what is this? And this is in another bag. And it's tied up pretty good. And what's going on here? Wow! Guys, you gotta check this out or what? Look at this. That's my own shirt. Look at that. And he got on the back there, let's have some fun. Guys, is that just awesome? I'll show you back here. Is that just awesome or what? Just terrific. And there's not one shirt here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, there's like 5, 6 shirts and different sizes. Wow, holy Jesus, buddy. I mean, that's a lot of stuff here. Wow, it just blows me away. That is just too much. Just terrific. Well, thank you very much, buddy. I really don't know what to say about that. That's a lot of stuff. Well, thank you very much, Keith. Yeah, that's just terrific. That's my first shirt. I don't know how you did that, but that's just fantastic. Okay, well, I think I'm pretty well done here, and I'd like to thank everybody for sending me their sticker and all the nice gifts. And you guys check out the back there of the bottom there in the description for all these channels. They're just fantastic people that I watch all the time. And these guys come back again. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to subscribe. And what have I got coming up here? What have I got coming up? I got a vid coming up on Fatwood. And what's it involve? Well, it involves MD Outdoors. My buddy Ivan at Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics, and has to do with my F-150. And guys, my F-150 has a problem. I'm going to see if you guys can figure it out, and it involves Fatwood. And all these 3 channels, my channel, MD Outdoors, MotoYam 82 used to be his channel name. Now I can finally remember it's Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. And yeah, we'll get to that one next coming up. I'd like to thank you very much for dropping in. And of course, come back again. Let's have some fun. Bye now.